What'd you guys do this time?
It wasn't me, it was him.
I wasn't even there.
I promise you.
How's the skywalk?
I was feeling a little jiggly there. Looking down, my stomach was all like, ugh.
But you did it.
I did it.
Yeah.
It was great. I think the greatest part, seeing through the glass and seeing the canyon, and then watching Patricia, get scared to walk on the glass and having us there and taking pictures. Really beautiful, and it's amazing what God does.
I also enjoyed myself. It was lots of fun, great views. They kind of capitalizing on this photo thing. They don't let you take your camera out there, so then you gotta buy the photos. But they're good shots, so they got me. They got us. What happened?
on the brightest. Thrill is gone. The thrill is gone, baby. Lucille, hey, Lucille, hey, da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da.
I can't afford anything on this street, so I'm just going to window shop.
Oh, the trip was awesome. I loved hanging out with family and friends. LA is way too much traffic. I'm so happy we had an opportunity to be with family so that we can, you know, not have to maneuver that traffic alone and see a lot of things. But hey, love the trip. Looking forward to getting home though, and that way I can plan the next trip. Loved hanging out with my son.
Oh man, Las Vegas was awesome. We stayed at a nice location and celebrated a birthday, and just going to all the different hotels, the Bellagio, and seeing the Michael Jackson one, and seeing the Blue Man Group. Outstanding. And then after the Las Vegas trip, we traveled to Los Angeles and just hanging out with family here and going to the beach and going down Rodeo Boulevard. Outstanding. Definitely recommend it. Great trip.
So this trip has been amazing. I've had such a great time hanging out with my parents, seeing family that I haven't seen since I was 3, so don't even remember meeting them. Las Vegas is just a beautiful city. It's great for vacation. I don't think I would want to live there, but seeing all the shows and just seeing all the different people, it's really a very lively city. And then Los Angeles is amazing, international, so much to see and do, you know, everything Hollywood, the stars, just a very nice place to see. I saw a lot more Chinese writing and actually understood what it meant here than I had ever seen in the US before, so that's very interesting for me to go live in a new country and come back and understand and recognize things from that country. So this has just been a great trip, and looking forward to the next one.